Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to produce or make your own disinfectant at home. It can be called disinfectant or liquid antiseptic. This is a very strong and powerful disinfectant. I'll be showing you the step-by-step method how you can produce yours for your home use or for commercial, that is if you want to sell it. Stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Thank you for tuning in.
These are the chemicals we use in making our Dettol disinfectant. This is Disinfectant. But if you notice that Dettol disinfectant foams a little, so Disinfectant is the chemical that makes it that foam. So this one is combination of pine oil and phenol. Pine oil is one of the active ingredients that disinfects. This is chlorozanol. Chlorozanol is one of the active ingredients too. Then this is IPA, isopropyl alcohol.
Isopropyl alcohol?
Yes, isopropyl alcohol, IPA.
The two of them?
Yes, there are two.
What are their measurements? Okay, 3 liters.
3 liters. This is colorant. This is brown color.
Okay. What is that? So what are you adding?
Chlorozanol.
Chlorozanol.
Or 2 liters of water.
Okay. 1 liter. 2 liters. IPA is being added. A little bit of IPA is poured into the cup. It will be used to dissolve the color. Stir as you add.
This is a perfect formulation for your antiseptic liquid, or as we call it, disinfectant or Dettol. It's very clear and shiny. It does not contain impurities. It is a perfect blended formulated antiseptic liquid. We made 7 liters of Dettol. You can see how it is. It's not come and go. It's perfect. So this is me testing it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do tune in to watch my other videos. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.